What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have an electric can opener. If you're tired of using this thing, we're going to see if the electric can opener can save the day. All right, it says one touch operation, easy operation, eliminates twisting, pulling, and struggling. Exactly what I was just talking about. All right, you guys, let me just go ahead. I'm not even going to go into all that. And yes, I think it do need batteries. So install, it says pull. All right, pull down, open up, and there you go. Look like two AA's. Let me get those real quick. Okay, you guys, got my batteries. All right, so now we on number 2, step 1. So right here, I have a can, you guys. Can of mangoes. Now it has a little dent right here. I don't know, maybe I should test it. I'll test this one last. Let me get a different can. For this test, I will open up these collard greens, okay? Now, I wiped it off already, blah, blah, blah. You know what your parents told you to do. Wipe off the can before you open it or wash it, whatever. Yeah, so anyways, now we are going to go ahead and put it on. Now we are going to go ahead with step 2. Let's see how this thing works. All right, you guys, so basically you gotta make sure it goes on to the rim, and you should feel it because it goes around, right? Now it says use the electric can opener. It says press and hold the start button. So we're gonna press and hold. Oh, this is cool, you guys. Is it cutting it? Ah, I smell collard greens. This is different, you guys. This is different. Good riddance. Good riddance. Haha. We will throw it in the dumpster. It's coming, you guys. It's coming. It's coming. Full circle. Oh, it's cutting on the outside. Okay. Oh, it stopped by itself. I did not touch it. You guys, this is the best product on the channel. This is the best product on the channel. Do y'all know how much I try to, and it don't work, and it do this? Good riddance. Good riddance is over. It is over. Game's over. This is a game changer. I might get 2 more of these things. This is a game changer. I'm getting one for everybody in the family. All right, now let's do another test, you guys. Now, you know I have a dent right here, all right? Now, this may not work, okay? But if it has a dent, it's nothing we can do. So what I want to start, what it was going left? All right, so let's start from the end part, the beginning part of the dent, so it could work its way around since it goes left. All right. So I'm having fun, you guys. All right, here we go. You guys, this thing is literally working, even on a smaller can. Oh, let me see if I can bring my phone to show y'all. Give y'all another camera angle. This is insane, you guys. This is insane. It's working. Now remember, I got a dent coming up. Let's see what happens. Dent right there. Will it struggle to cut it? Okay, so it stopped on the dent, I believe. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's kind of hard to get off. Oh, I'm going to break it. Hold on. Uh-oh. Okay, I helped it a little bit. I put it in the angle. Wow. Let's see. All right, you guys. So, of course, it's not meant for dented cans, but it did the trick. It did the trick. You guys, I love it. Everybody buy one of these. Everybody, go now. Buy one. Link in the description. Link is in the description. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.